How to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks card. So first, make sure that you're currently logged in on the Epic Games website. So go to the Epic Games website, make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, open up a new tab, then search for Fortnite Redeem, and this should pop up the Fortnite.com website, and just simply click on that. Then wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, click on your name here at the top right, then click on V-Bucks card. Now wait for the website to load. Now, once it is all loaded up, this should pop up, and now you just simply need to click on Get Started. And here you will need to enter a code or your PIN. And as you can see, please enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card below. So you need to input it right here, and you can hover to this question mark here at the right side to see where you could find the PIN, which says here that it is located on the back of your card under a scratch of security covering. There's also a disclaimer. Please note that the pin on the back of your card can only be redeemed through this website. After that, you just simply need to click next, and that's basically it. You can now use the V-Bucks to buy anything you want. And that's it.